Hey guys! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm cooking up something super tasty, one of my favorite North Indian dishes, Paneer Do Pyaza. It's creamy, rich, and, as the name suggests, has double the onions. If you love paneer and bold flavors, you're going to love this. Let's get started. Alright, here's what we're working with today. We've got fresh paneer, 2 big onions, tomatoes, green chilies, and a bunch of spices, like cumin, coriander, turmeric, garam masala, all the good stuff. And to finish, we'll add a little cream and cilantro for that fresh touch. I'm going to dice one onion nice and fine. This will go into the gravy. The second one I'll slice into rings. We'll add these later for that classic do pyaza vibe. Now, let's move on to the paneer. I'm just cutting it into cubes. If you want to make it extra special, you can lightly fry these. It adds a nice crispy texture on the outside. Okay, in goes the paneer. Just a little oil in the pan, fry them up on medium heat until they turn golden. Look at that! So crispy. Once they're done, set them aside. Now, let's get to the onions. In the same pan, let's toss in our diced onions. Cook these until they're nice and golden. This is going to be the base for our gravy, so we want these to get sweet and caramelized. Now, let's throw in some chopped tomatoes. Give it a good stir, and let these cook down. We're looking for a nice, thick sauce. The tomatoes are going to balance the sweetness of the onions and give the gravy that rich texture. Alright, time to spice things up. I'm adding cumin, coriander powder, turmeric, and a pinch of garam masala. Mix that all together, and you'll notice the colors and smells are just incredible right now. Now for our second round of onions, the sliced rings. These add a nice crunch and texture to the dish, and they look beautiful too. Let these cook for just a minute. Here comes the star of the show, our fried paneer. Toss those golden cubes into the gravy, and make sure they're nicely coated in all those spices and onion goodness. Now, for a little extra richness, I'm going to add a swirl of cream. This makes the gravy super creamy and indulgent. If you're feeling fancy, you could even add a little butter here too. Let's finish this off with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro. Not only does it look great, but it adds a fresh flavor to balance the richness of the gravy. Look at this! Our Paneer Do Pyaza is ready to serve. You can pair this with butter naan, some fragrant basmati rice, or both. Why not? That's so good! The paneer is soft, the gravy is rich, and the onions add the perfect crunch. It's the ultimate comfort food. You've got to try this at home. Alright guys, that's it for today's recipe. Quick, easy, and so delicious. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here, hit that subscribe button for more tasty recipes every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Happy cooking!